This video will show you how to restore a course to your Moodle page. If you go to the blank page where you have you want to put the information, you'll see under the settings heading a restore option. Once you click that restore option, you're brought into the restore screen. Before you go and find the backup file, just check the size for new files. If you have an issue with importing a file, it may be that you need to edit this under the settings option. So here and here. But that's only if it's a thing that it says the file is too big. So again, go to the restore option and then go to the location of the file. I just have it on my desktop, and you can drag and drop. Once you have that done, click restore, and it will give you again a number of steps to complete. So here's the backup data. You can ignore all of those. You can see the activities and so on. Just click continue. That's a preview. You have the option of restoring it into this course or a different course, and again within each of these options you have two choices. Either you merge the backup course, as in you add it to what's there already, or you delete the contents of the course and restore it. You can also restore it into another course, courses that you maybe are already involved in, and again you can merge or delete the contents. So I'm going to restore it into this course, and I'm going to delete the contents of what's there and restore. I click continue. We're on step 3 now. Do we want to include the activities? Yes. And the blocks? Yes, I do want to include the blocks. These are the blocks again, remember, on either side. Click next. You have a name for it. You can leave those alone. You don't have to worry about any of these, but you can select at this point what you want to restore. So if you don't want to restore everything, maybe just a number of resources, you can click none here and decide what exactly it is you want to bring in. I'm going to select all for the purpose of this exercise, and I'm going to move on. This is just a review of everything that you have selected. If you're happy with it, you can click perform restore. If not, you can go to the previous screen and change the options that you've chosen. So I'll click perform restore, and it'll then restore my information to the course. You get a message to say that the course was restored successfully, and you can click continue. At this point you can see that I have the information that I had in the my backup. A number of things just to remember. If you have a large number of topics, make sure that you add topics to your page. It happens particularly if you had, for example, in your backup 15 topics. On a new Moodle page there are only 10, so you would need to increase the number of topics in your edit settings. So just watch out for that one as well. Here's the number of sections. The default is 10. You might need to increase them to make sure that you have enough to accommodate the information. That's how you restore your course to Moodle.